What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 lasagna pan this year. Through extensive research and testing I put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Bruntmore ceramic baking dish for roasting lasagna pan. Your favorite dish just got better with the Bruntmore ceramic baking dish. With a glossy ceramic exterior and unglazed interior, you get all the benefits of non-stick cookware without any scrubbing sessions afterward. This Bruntmore ceramic baking dish is perfect for roasting lasagna in the oven. The dish is made out of a durable ceramic material that resists scorching and makes sure your lasagna doesn't stick to the bottom. It also has a non-stick coating that makes it easy to remove the lasagna from the dish afterwards. As made from tough and durable high heat resistant material, this lasagna pan is perfect for handling your family's most loved recipes. It also includes a built-in Velcro silicone oven mitt. It makes life easier when getting your dish out of the hot oven or off the stovetop before. It comes in a set of 4 lasagna pan sizes, ideal for generous portions. Also suitable as a single-serve dish. The Bruntmore ceramic baking dish is the perfect companion to every cook who adores cooking delicious dishes that need plenty of open space. These beautiful Bruntmore baking dishes are an elegant and welcoming color of our set of 2 ceramic oven roasting lasagna pans. With the elegant design, these pans are perfect for presenting your delicious dishes. The high-quality ceramic these pans are made from offers lasting quality and health. Number 2. Croquori baking dishes lasagna pans. Lasagna is a popular Italian dish that typically consists of layers of pasta, sauce, and cheese. Croquori are a type of Japanese dumpling that are simmered in a mushroom and chicken broth until they turn into a soft and chewy ball. They are then covered in a rich tomato sauce and served over steamed rice. These dumplings make the perfect weeknight meal because they are easy to make and can be prepared in just a few minutes. With a small family and friends, cook up the perfect lasagna in these croquori rectangular baking dishes. Its fashion display and bright color give it a unique wavy pattern design. As it is made from odor-free hybrid ceramic and high-quality glaze, you don't need to worry about chipping or flaking. High-temperature, durable material makes this one of the best grill pans for stovetop. They have a tight-fitting lid, so you don't have to worry about losing any liquid while cooking. The baking dishes, croquori rectangular bakeware set ceramic baking pan lasagna pans for cooking. Kitchen is a set of 2 cooking pans that are perfect for lasagna, dumplings, or even seafood. They are oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and have poor transamellic ash freezing points, so you can cook them at up to 4 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Make your kitchen the hottest place in town tonight with this remarkable and classical baking tray. Number 3. USA Pans Bakeware Lasagna Pan. You must not want your lasagna or roast to stick after you've poured hours of love into preparing it. That's where USA Pans, bakeware lasagna and roasting pans come in. These warp-resistant, non-stick baking pans are made from aluminized steel for deep tones. Lasagna is a popular Italian dish that can be made in many different ways, but the most popular is probably in a baking dish. There are a variety of lasagna pans on the market, but the USA Pan lasagna pan is one of the best. It is made from non-stick aluminium and has a deep well that makes it great for baking lasagna. The USA Pan's bakeware lasagna and roasting warp-resistant non-stick baking pan, made in the USA from alu, is a unique corrugated surface design that facilitates air circulation. Also great for cooking roast chicken, potatoes, and other roasted meats. The non-stick Americoat coating, a patented silicone that is PTFE, PFOA and BPA-free, provides a long-lasting sheen and protection that can last for years. The unique corrugated design of its surface enables air circulation. The patented non-stick Americoat coating allows you to cook roast chicken or other meats and potatoes in it. Thin and wide for all of your cooking needs. They're the perfect addition to any kitchen since they can withstand up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It won't chip, peel or crack, so you can go from oven to table without worrying about breakage. Number 4. Rachelrae Solid Glaze Ceramics Lasagna Pan. Everyone's already talking about how great this is, so we may as well jump on the bandwagon. Thanks to the 9 inches by 12 inches Rachelrae Solid Glaze Ceramics Lasagna Pan. Made from high-quality ceramic, this versatile lasagna baker will last for a long time. Rachelrae Solid Glaze Ceramics Lasagna Pan is the perfect way to show your culinary skills and impress your guests. This lasagna pan is made from durable ceramic and features a non-stick surface that makes it easy to prepare your favorite Italian dish. It also has a ridged design that helps prevent sticking and makes it easy to slice your lasagna. Whether you're about to prepare delicious veggie or meat lasagna, this lasagna baker is a great one. With its glazed non-stick finishing, food released from the surface is effortless. Featuring horizontal ribs, it gives your special dish more texture without pesky little cubes sticking to difficult textured surfaces. As this contemporary casserole dish can withstand up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily transfer it from microwave to table. The sturdy stoneware construction, bold-colored surface, distinctive blazed edges, and signature red trim make this pan a chic centerpiece to any kitchen. Number 5. Mora Ceramic Baking Dish with Handles for Casserole. Are you looking for a baking dish with handles that is both beautiful and functional? Look no further than the Mora Ceramic Baking Dish with Handles. This dish is perfect for casseroles or other baking recipes that require you to be able to hold it securely. The dish features a beautiful design and is made from quality ceramic material. It is also easy to clean, making it a great option for those who are conscientious about their kitchen hygiene. Feel like you're baking in the kitchen of your ancestors while graciously serving lasagna for family and friends. The Mora ceramic baking dish is perfect for oven cooking, broiling under the coffee pot, or freezing our baked casserole. This acceptably larger than 13x9 recipe-ready pan is overall designed considering the additional deep sides, recipe-themed size, and large handles. Cadmium and lead-free crystallized glaze can resist scratches from your forks and knives even under the pressure of 1000 grams. The dish with handle for lasagna, gratin, roasting, and baking can be used with any cooking device. Whether you are using it for casserole, lasagna, gratin, or baking, we have you covered. Our Mora baking dish with handles for lasagna, gratin, roasting, and baking can be used with any cooking device. Whether you are using it for casserole, lasagna, gratin, or baking. The Mora ceramic baking pan consists of 20% stronger paladin clay compared to other competitors. So, your food remains hotter for longer hours.